Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to fix when no sound plays after you connect your earbuds with a phone. Firstly, I recommend it to restart your audio player. So let's say you listen to music in SoundCloud, just remove this application from the cache and then open it again. Also, I recommend it to check for updates, so go to the App Store or Google Play and check it and update if you haven't the last version. We can go to the application and check for updates here, for software updates. So I haven't it here because I have the last software version, but if you haven't, update it. It can help if you restart your device. So I use these earbuds with this phone and I need to restart this phone. If you use it with a tablet, you need to restart your tablet. And the last option is to perform a factory reset. To perform a factory reset, we have two options. We can use an application, and to do this, open EDIFIER HECATE app and then go to the settings at the right top. Right here at the right side we have factory settings, tap at this icon and then click confirm. Or you can put your earbuds to the charging case but do not close the case. Inside of it we have connection button and you need to press 3 times the connection button. 1, 2, 3. Now we need to reconnect these earbuds with the phone. So go to the settings, then Bluetooth or connected devices, and at the device list click the information icon or settings icon near to your earbuds. Then forget this device and forget device. Now if you have Android, click pair new device at the top, and if you have iOS, you can or turn off and turn on the Bluetooth or just go back and return to the Bluetooth. After factory reset, these earbuds enter to pairing mode automatically, so you don't need to use connection button, you just tap at your earbuds at the device list. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!